Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share some things that I can't live without for my curly hair. And when I say I can't live without, I don't mean literally I can't live without. Obviously if I was never allowed to wear my hair curly or style it or put anything on my hair again, I'd be sad, but it wouldn't be the end of the world. But you get what I mean, like things that I really love for my hair and wouldn't want to live without. I saw Mains by Mel do a similar video recently, and since we have a different hair type and curl pattern, I thought I would share my curly hair must-haves as well. So let's go ahead. Curly hair must-have number one, and I am really stripping it back here, is water. Water is key for curly hair. I feel like I sound like a broken record because I'm always saying how important water is for curls, but without water you wouldn't be able to wash your hair for a start, but you wouldn't be able to get these juicy ringlets. Water is such a vital part of any curly's hair routine. That takes me on to my next curly hair must-have, which is a spray bottle, a spray water bottle. Oh, it's all gone on the camera lens. It's not something that you couldn't live without, but it's something that I use in my hair routine all the time. This one is from Curly Girl Movement. I've had this probably about 3 years and it's still just as good as when I first got it. And another one that I really like is the Only Curls one. They're both very similar, they're a similar size. I actually prefer the smaller ones than the bigger ones. The bigger ones, yes, they can feel more water in it, but I don't tend to use that much water. I usually use them for refreshing or just adding a little bit of water while I'm styling my hair, so I don't need a ton of water in them. I don't use spray bottles to fully re-wet my hair. I would just put my head under the shower. But yeah, a spray bottle, curly hair must-have number 2. Curly hair must-have at number 3 for me is a clarifying or deeply cleansing shampoo. Something that's going to really remove all the build-up from my scalp, remove product build-up, remove all the other dirt and grime from my scalp and from my hair as well. You guys know that I don't co-wash my hair. I find it too moisturizing for my hair. It weighs my curls down. But you also know that I like to use a foaming shampoo. For the most part, I tend to use a sulfate-free foaming shampoo. So something like the Naughty Detox Dynamo or the Umberto Giannini Scalp Restore shampoo. This is actually a new bottle because I just finished my last one. It's my go-to shampoo now. It really removes all build-up for me. It saved my scalp from build-up issues that I was having and an itchy scalp. And yeah, I really like this. And then when I need to remove hard water build-up and other build-up, I will use the Naughty Detox Dynamo shampoo, or I will use a sulfate shampoo. And you see me mention the Simple Gentle Cleansing one on my channel in my previous video. I'll link it above here. A good shampoo that really removes everything, gives me a clean slate, is a must for me. Must-have number 4 for me is a conditioner or something that I can use as a conditioner. So if I didn't have a conditioner, I would want something like a leave-in conditioner that I could also detangle my hair with in the shower and use as a leave-in. If I could only use one conditioning product for the rest of my life, like I couldn't also have a leave-in conditioner or curl cream, then I would either choose the Curlsmith multitasking conditioner, because this can be used as a leave-in conditioner, regular conditioner and deep conditioner, or the Naughty leave-in conditioner. I would use this as a regular conditioner and a leave-in. I really like this one as well. Must-have number 5 for me is some kind of curl cream or leave-in conditioner that I can apply after I have detangled my hair. So I wouldn't leave a regular conditioner in my hair, but if I were using like the multitasking one or a leave-in conditioner to detangle my hair, then I could leave a little bit of that in. So this isn't an essential step for me, but I do like to use a small amount of curl cream, especially on the underneath layers of my hair where they're slightly drier and slightly coarser. These underneath sections and the ends of my hair respond really well to just a little bit of curl cream. It really helps enhance my ringlets and gives me nice juicy clumps like this one here. So while curl cream isn't essential for me, I do find it very beneficial for the underneath layers of my hair. I don't really put it on the top layers of my hair, and because I only use a tiniest amount, I probably could go without it, but most curlies will find that they need some kind of moisturizing product left in their hair to help keep those curls moisturized from wash day to wash day. This one here that I have is the Curlsmith Shine Cream. I really like this one. It's a really lovely lovely lightweight leave-in conditioner. Another one is the Naughty Intensive Care leave-in conditioner, which is a more budget-friendly one. I also really like the Curlsmith Featherlight Protein Cream, which is obviously, as it says, a proteiny one. On my hair today, I actually have the Featherlight Protein Cream on this side of my hair, as well as the foam and the gel from the protein line from Curlsmith, and the Shine Cream and Jelly on this side. And I wonder if you guys can notice a difference. But yeah, head to my Instagram to watch my styling tutorial for that. Must have number 6 for me is a hair styling gel or some kind of styling product that is gonna add hold to my curls. My hair really likes gels. It helps enhance my definition and give me nice juicy ringlets, as well as the curl cream. And it also helps my curls hold from wash day to wash day, keeps the frizz at bay, locks everything in place. And when I say wash day to wash day, I usually get about 3 decent days out of a wash day, and then to be honest, I usually either put it in a bun or wash it on the 4th day. So if I could only use one styling product and I wasn't allowed to use a curl cream, I would probably use a gel that is a bit of everything. And one gel that is that for me is the Curly Girl Movement Curl Defining Gel. I haven't actually used this in a little while, but for me, this is a really, give it a shake, this is a really lovely one. It gives me a good mixture of moisture and protein. You can see the consistency of it as it drips down my hand. It's kind of like a milky gel. It smells really nice, kind of sherbety. And yeah, this gives me a really good amount of hold and definition, but also enough moisture. But obviously you guys know that there are so many gels that I love. I love the Curlsmith Shine Gel. This gives me amazing definition and hold, but I really like using the Shine Cream underneath this one. I love the LA Hold Gel from Giovanni. This is actually empty, just to show how much I love it. But again, I really like using the curl cream under this because it can be a little bit drying. I love the Naughty Hey Curl Jelly. I probably could use this one on its own, to be honest. This is quite a lightweight jelly. It doesn't have like a really thick consistency. See just how lightweight it is. It really turns into like water in your hands, so that's a really good one, and I could probably use that one on its own, to be honest. I did just glaze a bit of this over my hair to give it a little refresh today. I actually love this one for refreshing because it is so lightweight and you don't even have to mix it with water. You can literally just glaze it straight over your hair and it really gives me amazing definition, this gel. I love the Harry's gel. I love the Curlsmith In-Shower Style Fixer. There are so many gels that I love. Gel is like my favourite styling product of all the styling products, but if I couldn't use a gel, then I would have to go for a foam. This is the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam from Curlsmith, and this is the Giovanni Air Turbocharged Mousse Foam. I really like these. I really like this paired with the Giovanni Gel and Giovanni Leave-In, and I really like this one paired with any Curlsmith cream and gel, to be honest. I use this pretty much every wash day at the moment in between a cream and a gel. I do also like the results I get when I use a foam on its own. It's just a bit looser, not as defined, not as strong hold, but still like I get the grit with my hair because my hair is very naturally soft, so I need a bit of grit, and so foam gives me that. The next curly hair item that I couldn't live without, and after like water and shampoo, this is probably the main thing that I couldn't live without, and after gel. This is probably the one that I use the most and I need the most in my curly hair routine, and it is a diffuser. These are my two like favourite diffusers. So this diffuser head is the Extava Black Orchid. This is my all-time favourite diffuser head. I love it so much. I love how big it is. It's literally like the size of my head. I can fit so much hair in it. It gives me a good lift, good volume. Because it's deep, it doesn't flatten or make my curls go wonky at all. I mean, look how much hair I can fit in it. I really love this diffuser. I don't love that it's not universal, so it can't fit on like all hair dryers, but I do love the Snozzle Pro attachment that you can buy on Amazon, or if you're in the UK, you can get it on Naturalistic products. Another one that I've been using recently is the Shark diffuser. I really like that the diffuser bowl is bigger than you get with most hair dryers. I like that you can move the prongs about to help with root lift and volume. I like that it has a few different heat and speed settings. I also need to clean it, but luckily it comes with a cleaner, so that's another thing I like about it. To be honest, I normally use the second speed setting and it doesn't blow my curls about at all. I probably could get away with using it on the fastest speed setting. It really isn't invasive at all to the curls. It doesn't blow them all about, so I really like that. The only thing that I don't love about this dryer is that it is quite hot. So if you're not used to like a really hot hair dryer, then it may be too hot for your scalp, but it does have a cool shot, so I like that, and I do use that when I'm drying my hair. My next curly hair must have is something that I use every single day, and it is in my hair right now: hair clips. I use them when I tie my hair up for bed to protect it overnight. I use them for hairstyles like this. I use them for root clipping. I have a variety of different hair clips that I like, so I really like these ones, but I also use these bigger claw clip ones, just like the hairstyles as well. And then also recently I've really been using these crocodile clips a lot as well. I actually got these on Amazon and they're really, really good. If you section your hair when you are styling, these are really good. That's mostly what I use them for, but I also use them like to clip the front piece out of my face while I'm doing my makeup, and after I've diffused my hair, to root clip this front bit if I don't fancy using these kind of clips. So yeah, must have for me. My next must have is something else that I use every single day and something that I'm always losing as well, and it is invisible balls, and I could only find one right now. I'm always losing them. I really like these kind of hair ties for my hair. I know some people with curly hair really can't get on with these. They find they get stuck in their curls. I don't tend to. I think probably because I have like silkier roots, they don't really get stuck in my curls, and I really stretch them out like over my hair when I'm trying to get them out of my hair so they don't get stuck in my hair. But I know that everyone's hair is different, so what works for me may not work for you. I tie my hair up in one every night. Whenever I tie my hair up in a messy bun, a pineapple bun, in a ponytail, anything, I'm always using invisible balls. I really like them. They don't leave a dent in my hair or anything. I don't feel them. They don't like tug at my hair. If you don't get on well with invisible ball type bobbles, hair bands, then you can try a silk or satin scrunchie as a good alternative. And my final must have for my curly hair is something that I probably could live without. I just don't want to. It is a silk pillowcase. So if I didn't sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase at night, it wouldn't be the end of the world, just my curls wouldn't last as nicely from wash day to wash day. This one was actually a birthday present a few years ago, and it's from Ginger Lily London, but I do have various silk and satin pillowcases. I've got a vegan satin one from Curlsmith, which is really, really good. I've got a variety from Lily Silk. It's not a must-have, but it does make a difference, I find. So yeah, could I live without it? Yes. Do I want to? No. If I was on a desert island, would I need it? No. If I was on a desert island, would I need any of these products? No, I just would have my hair in a messy bun, and that is the truth of the matter. I really hope you found this video helpful and it gave you a little insight into the products that I really, really like for my curly hair. Let me know in the comments what your must-haves are. What is your #1 product that you cannot live without? I would say mine probably is, I couldn't live without a clean scalp, so it would have to be shampoo, but if it was a styling product, it would be a gel. But yeah, let me know in the comments, and as always, if you did enjoy the video, please feel free to give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Bye guys!